So here we are going to collect this compound. That compound we filtered like 2 hours before we did the filtration. So after drying, we need to collect this one. To do that, the very first step is to close the vacuum. Close the vacuum, and then you need to take this out slowly and hold it like this. Take the spatula. Remember, to do the collection of the compound, you need a clean and dry tweezer, as well as you need the spatula, nice like sharp mouth spatula. So you can collect. You can come to my right side now, and then you need to collect it like that way. Take everything out on that paper, the wing paper. That should be a boundary like four sides, so that your compound will not spill out outside on the table. And then you collect it like that way. Make sure that you are not missing anything. If there is a trace amount of compound, you need to collect it, because we need to report the yield of the compound, yield of the product in publication. So we need a single particle is also important for us nonetheless. So you need to collect like that way, and then when you will sure that there is nothing, leave it here. Take the tweezer now and grab the paper, the filter paper that we used for the filtration. Grab the filter paper and then collect everything that you have on the paper very nicely. Then hold another side of the filter paper, so the side which was covered by the tweezer, now you can collect this one, and also from another side. So this filter paper you need to place it here on this funnel, because this one we need to wash it, and that washing will go to the filtrate that we collected before, which is here. So this filtrate. So we don't want to lose anything. So now the thing is that we need to collect this stuff. You see there is a lot of compounds there. Okay. So then we need to put the vial. This vial is already labeled, and we have already weighted the vial with the label. So then we will put it in the vial, and the vial will be on the like a wing paper. If there is any spillage, we will not lose any compound. And then very carefully you need to transfer the compound to the vial. Make sure that you are placing inside the vial, not outside the vial. So everything you need to transfer by that way. There is some compounds you see on the paper, so you need to use the spatula such a way that the paper will not be scratched. There will be no piece of paper, just the compound will come. And then again transfer it to the vial. And that's it. And this guy, if still you see there is something, maybe little bit of stuff, so that with the use of methanol, you need to transfer here. So now you see there is like the paper where the compound was there, that paper also will be washed with the compound, and this collection will go to your filtrate. So now you are ready. Here you need to take the weight of this. Now it is vial plus label plus compound, and then if you subtract the initial weight from the final weight, you will get the weight of the compound. This weight of the compound you need to write it here, and then you need to place this paper. You can use the same paper like that way, and put like a rubber band, make some holes with needles, and then place it in the desiccator for 48 hours for drying purpose. Thank you.